For my friends that love bath products but hate the price tag and the ingredients, you need to learn the magic of turning natural ingredients into natural products, just like this chocolate rose bath melt. Hi, I'm Katie Veldkamp, co-founder of Simply Earth and certified aromatherapist, and I love teaching people how to make their own natural products out of natural ingredients that you can use every day in your home. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make your own bath melt. Bath melts are solid products that melt in the tub. They're made out of rich, moisturizing butters that are super nourishing to your skin. We're going to add some essential oils to this bath melt to make the experience extra relaxing. Turn off distractions because making is healing. Let's make this chocolate rose bath melt together. Before I tell you what you need, let me just make sure you know that we at Simply Earth are obsessed with making it super easy to make your own natural products. This recipe comes from the Simply Earth DIY Bath and Spa recipe box. When you subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box, you'll get key ingredients and recipes delivered right to your door. We cover a new theme every month. When you subscribe, we'll even throw in a big bonus box. You can also find the ingredients I talk about for this recipe on our website, simplyearth.com. I'm going to grab my ingredients from Simply Earth's DIY Bath and Spa box. It has a variety of bath-themed recipes, including the bath melt we are making in this video. For this recipe, you'll need 1.5 teaspoons of fractionated coconut oil, a 1/2 tablespoon of coconut oil solid, a 1/2 tablespoon of cocoa butter, and these ingredients are super moisturizing to the skin. They also dilute our essential oil safely. For our essential oil, we're going to be using Simply Earth's Tranquility blend, which is a really relaxing and soothing blend, perfect for a calming bath. You also need a paper mold. We're also going to be using rose petals, which is going to add a rosy aroma to our bath melt, and also they look really pretty. Let's make it. Our first step is going to be melting together our oils. So I'm going to be adding to this container 1.5 teaspoons of fractionated coconut oil, 1/2 tablespoon of solid coconut oil. Next, we're going to be adding a 1/2 tablespoon of cocoa butter, which smells chocolatey and wonderful, which gives us our chocolate aroma for this bath melt. And cocoa butter is a hard, brittle butter, so it's going to be a little tricky to measure it. So what I like to do is to take a small spoon and loosen it up like so I can scoop it out with my other measuring spoon. Another way to measure it is to melt the cocoa butter, which you can put this container in the microwave for 15-second intervals until it's melted, and then measure it. So now I need to melt this. I can do this in a double boiler, or I can melt it in the microwave using short intervals, like 15 to 30 seconds. To my melted oils, I'm going to add 6 drops of our Tranquility blend. I'm going to stir that to make sure the essential oil is nice and diluted. Now I'm going to add some rose petals, and I'm going to just eyeball this. You'll want about a 1/2 tablespoon, and I'm going to rip up these rose petals into small pieces. Now my bath melt is practically done. I'm going to pour it into a mold. I've got a paper one here that came in the recipe box. I'm going to set this in the fridge to set. Once it's completely solid, it's ready to be used. Here's one that I made earlier. Let's test it out. When you're not using this bath melt, I do recommend keeping it in the fridge as it likes to melt once it reaches room temperature. So we'll just remove it from this paper mold, drop it in some warm water, and now the bath melt is just going to slowly melt away and create a luxurious, super moisturizing bath. As it melts, the oils and rose petals will spread out along the surface of the tub, creating a relaxing and luxurious experience. And you can make this too. I love to see your creations on social media, so when you make this bath melt, take a picture and share it with #IMadeThis and tag from Simply Earth. You'll automatically be entered into our Simply Earth $5 gift card giveaway. Follow along for more recipes like this one.